Hello dear student, this is Nishit Kumar Jodhar in front of you. Today I am going to conduct new topics to you dear learners and dear viewers, dear students. Let's go. Today's our lesson is right form verbs. It is a basic concept of our this class. If you complete the text, if you learn the text, you can be able to fulfill all your suitable words in your daily life. That's mean you can complete the blanks or you can proper use a verb in your daily activities or your proper writing. After this lesson, students will be able to learn. Students fulfill the gaps with right form verbs of the verbs. Students learn the gaps with right form verbs with clue or without clue. You can easily learn the lesson and you can apply your daily life to fill in the blanks or to proper use of your speaking or writing in your daily activities. Dear learners, let's go. Look at the picture and sentences. Mother loves her child. Ice melts in heat. Trees gives us oxygen. Which tense is expressed by the sentences? That means in the following sentence, which tense are used here? Present simple tense. That's means present indefinite tense. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Do the sentence express universal truth? If the sentence universal truth, it will be present simple tense. That means the sentence which contains a universal truth, you have to use in the sentence the suitable verb just like an present simple tense. Mother loves her child. Ice melts on heat. Trees give us oxygen. Universal truth or present simple tense. That's means the sentence which contains of the subject. That's means third person singular number. You can use verb of the word. That's mean yes or yes. The sun rises in the east. If it gives us light, the dash most important source of energy for the on earth. The sun dash set in the west. Yeah, the sun rises in the east. It's a universal truth. It gives us light. It is the most important source of energy for our on earth. The sun sets in the west. Look at the picture and sentences. He reads the Holy Quran every day. They attend the multimedia classes regularly. Which sentence is expressed by the sentence? Present simple tense. Could you tell why the sentence are present simple tense? If the sentence is every day, always, regularly, sometimes, often, usually, normally, generally, occasionally, the sentence will be present simple tense. Every day. So here you can use reads, not read, because the subject is third person singular number. So we have to use the yes or yes at the adding of the word or adding of the verb. Irregularly, they attend. The subject is plural number, so you cannot use here yes or yes. The boy goes to school regularly. The son, he studies attentively every day. He always speaks the truth. He can often visit their fear. অর্থাৎ সাবজেক্টটা সার্ভার সিঙ্গুলার বলে ভাবের সঙ্গে এস বাই এস আমরা যোগ করব। এই কথাগুলো এখানে বলা হয়েছে। Look at the picture and sentences. Rana is playing cricket now. The wheel is moving on the line at the moment. Which tense is expressed by the sentence? Present continuous tense. Can you tell the sentence at present continuous tense? If the sentence is now, at this moment, at this time, sentence will be present continuous tense. Now, yeah, at this moment is moving, is playing. We are washing car race now. The son is riding a horse at the moment. Look at the picture. Which sentence, which tense is expressed by the sentences? I have recently visited the Cox Bazar. The train has just reached the station. Present perfect tense. Have visited. Has reached. Can you tell the sentence? Can you say which sentence is used here? If the sentence is recently, already, just now, lately, then sentence will be present perfect tense. Or the sentence is just now, already, yet, ever, lately, recent থাকলে কোন টেন্সে করতে হবে? Present perfect tense করতে হবে. Okay, dear learners, I think all of you have understand the matter very easily or very simply. Let's go. Yeah, recently, first one is recently. In the utterance you can find recently. The sentence will be present perfect tense. And second one is just. Thus the sentence will be present perfect tense. Okay, dear learner, let's go. They already leave the place. They have already left the place. The son just her homework. The son has finished the homework. Tofu lately got student visa for USA. Look at the picture and sentences. It has been raining since morning. They have been enjoying rain for 1 hour. Which tense is expressed by the sentences? Yeah, present perfect continuous tense. Because the sentence which contains for or since or time, the verb will be present continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense, because it has been raining since morning. They have been enjoying rain for 1 hour. Yeah, dear learners, it's a very simple matter. I think all of you can easily cope up the matter. The boy has been flying kites since morning. Okay, today I will provide some pair works in the class. She read a book now. She is reading a book now. So the sentence will be present continuous tense. The work in the garden for an hour. They have been working in the garden, because an hour time has been mentioned here. Which sentences using right from verbs? The sentences celebrated schools climate program every year. Tigers, symbol of strength and courage. Yeah, every year celebrate the tigers. Okay, dear learners, I will provide some homework. Write a paragraph about your garden, 5 sentences. In the sentence, you have to using the suitable word or appropriate verb which is available to use in your daily life. That's mean to make a garden or to express a garden in your own feelings, you have to using some verb. It's natural matter. When you write something, you can use in the sentences a suitable word, a suitable verb of the utterances. Okay, thanks dear learners. Thanks everybody. Okay, let's go.